StudyFetch versus StudyBlaze AI, which is better for students? AI is changing the way we study. Two popular tools helping students right now are StudyFetch and StudyBlaze. In this video, I'm going to break down what each one offers and help you figure out which one is better for your study routine. Let's start off with StudyFetch. So it lets you upload your class notes, PDFs, or lecture recordings. Then its AI called Sparky turns them into simple flashcards, summaries, and quizzes. It even gives you feedback on your writing or essays. Pros, great for turning your own content into flashcards and notes. Spark AI Tutor gives explanations and feedback. Works with audio, video, and documents. Good for students who want personalized help. Cons, some tools are locked behind paid plans, not as fast for quick one-off quiz generation, may need some time to organize uploads properly. So let's talk about pricing. They've got a free basic plan that you can check out, or they've got a base and premium plan that is $7.99 and $11.99 per month. That's all in AU dollars too. StudyBlaze is a fast tool that takes study material like PDFs or lecture videos and turn them into quizzes and flashcards instantly. It's very easy to use and has a simple layout. Pros, very easy and fast to use, great for flashcard and quiz generation. Clean, simple design, good for quick studying. Cheaper premium plan. Cons, less depth, no full writing assistance or detailed tutor. Doesn't offer as much personalization as StudyFetch. Not ideal for long form content or essay help. Pricing, so they also got a free plan here, and then they've got a premium and unlimited. So the premium plan is €3 per month, or unlimited is €8 per month. And you can see the differences in each set of these. So StudyFetch, if you want a smart AI tutor and tools for custom learning from your own notes, or you choose StudyBlaze if you want simple, quick tool for making flashcards and quizzes fast. Both are great in different ways. It all depends on how you study best.